CBSE Class 10 Science MCQ Chapter 12 Electricity with answers Q1. The image shows a circuit diagram. What is being measured using the voltmeter? A. Current in the circuit. B. Voltage in the circuit. C. The voltage across the resistor. D. The resistance offered by the resistor. Correct answer option C. Q2. The least resistance obtained by using 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 1 ohms and 100 ohms is A. Less than 100 ohms. B. Less than 4 ohms. C. Less than 1 ohms. D. Greater than 2 ohms. Correct answer option C. Q3. Work of 14 joules is done to move to C charge between 2 points on a conducting wire. What is the potential difference between the 2 points? A. 28 V. B. 14 V. C. 7 V. D. 3.5 V. Correct answer option C. Q4. A fuse wire repeatedly gets burnt when used with a good heater. It is advised to use a fuse wire of A. More length. B. Less radius. C. Less length. D. More radius. Correct answer option D. Q5. A circuit has a charge of 2C moving through it in 3S. Which electrical component in the circuit, if present, will show the current? A. Voltmeter will show a current of 6 A. B. Ammeter will show a current of 0.7 A. C. Rheostat will show a current of 0.7 A. D. Resistor will show a current of 0.35 A. Correct answer option B. Q6. Electrical resistivity of a given metallic wire depends upon A. Its length. B. Its thickness. C. Its shape. D. Nature of the material. Correct answer option D. Q7. Two devices are connected between 2 points, say A and B, in parallel. The physical quantity that will remain the same between the 2 points is A. Current. B. Voltage. C. Resistance. D. None of these. Correct answer option B. Q8. Unit of electric power may also be expressed as A. Voltampere. B. Kilowatt hour. C. Watt second. D. Joule second. Correct answer option B. Q9. What is the relationship between resistance and current? A. They are directly related to each other. B. They are inversely related to each other. C. The resistance has a greater magnitude than the current. D. The current has a greater magnitude than the resistance. Correct answer option B. Q10. The resistance whose VI graph is given below is A. 5/3 ohms. B. 3/5 ohms. C. 5/2 ohms. D. 2/5 ohms. Correct answer option B. Q11. A current of 1 A is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb. The number of electrons passing through a cross-section of the filament in 16 seconds would be roughly A. 1020, B. 1016, C. 1018, D. 1023. Correct answer option A. Q12. How much more heat is produced if the current is doubled? A. Twice the original amount. B. Thrice the original amount. C. 4 times the original amount. D. 5 times the original amount. Correct answer option C. Q13. Which of the following represents voltage? A. Work done current times time. B. Work done times charge. C. Work done times time current. D. Work done times charge times time. Correct answer option A. Q14. A cooler of 1500 watts, 200 volts and a fan of 500 watts, 200 volts are to be used from a household supply. The rating of the fuse to be used is A. 2.5 A, B. 5.0 A, C. 7.5 A, D. 10. A correct answer option D. Q15. Which combination of a 2 ohms resistor and 4 ohms resistor offers the least resistance to current in the circuit? A. Series combination, which results in a net resistance of 2 ohms. B. Parallel combination, which results in a net resistance of 2 ohms. C. Series combination, which results in a net resistance of 1.5 ohms. D. Parallel combination, which results in a net resistance of 0.5 ohms. Correct answer option D. Q16. In an electrical circuit, two resistors of 2 ohms and 4 ohms, respectively, are connected in series to a 6V battery. The heat dissipated by the 4 ohms resistor in 5S will be A. 5 joules, B. 10 joules, C. 20 joules, D. 30 joules. Correct answer option C. Q17. In order to reduce electricity consumption at home, what kind of appliance should one purchase? A. One which draws low power, B. One which produces less heat, C. One which operates at a higher voltage, D. One which draws a high amount of current. Correct answer option A. Q18. If n resistors each of resistance R are connected in parallel combination, then their equivalent resistance is A. Rn2, B. N2R, C. Nr, D. Rn. Correct answer option D. Q19. Which one among a bar of an alloy of mass 2 kilograms and a 3 kilograms iron bar of the same dimension has greater resistivity? A. Iron bar because it has a higher mass. B. Alloy bar because it has a lower mass. C. Iron bar because it has the same types of atoms. D. Alloy bar because it has different types of atoms. Correct answer option D. Q20. Two resistors connected in series give an equivalent resistance of 10 ohms. When connected in parallel, give 2.4 ohms. Then the individual resistance is A. Each of 5 ohms, B. 6 ohms and 4 ohms, C. 7 ohms and 4 ohms, D. 8 ohms and 2 ohms. Correct answer option B. Q21. A battery of 10 volt carries 20,000 C of charge through a resistance of 20 ohms. The work done in 10 seconds is A. 2 times 103 joule, B. 2 times 105 joule, C. 2 times 104 joule, D. 2 times 102 joule. Correct answer option B. Q22. Two bulbs are rated 40 W to 20 W and 60 W 220 watts. The ratio of their resistances will be A. 4:3, B. 3:4, C. 2:3, D. 3:2. Correct answer option D. Q23. The image shows a combination of 4 resistors. What is the net resistance between the 2 points in the circuit? A. 0.5 ohms, B. 1.0 ohms, C. 1.5 ohms, D. 2.0 ohms. Correct answer option B. Q24. If R1 and R2 be the resistance of the filament of 40 watts and 60 watts, respectively, operating 220 V, then A. R1 R2, B. R2 R1, C. R1 is equal to R2, D. R1 greater than or equal to R2. Correct answer option B. Q25. An electric toaster has a power rating of 200 watts. It operates for 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. How much does it cost to operate the toaster for 10 days at 5 rupees per kWh? A. 20 rupees, B. 400 rupees, C. 5,000 rupees, D. 10,000 rupees. Correct answer option A. Q26. A coil in the heater consumes power P on passing current. If it is cut into halves and joined in parallel, it will consume power A, P, B, P2, C, to P, D, 4P. Correct answer option D. Q27. Calculate the current flow through the 10 ohms resistor in the following circuit. A. 1.2 A, B. 0.6 A, C. 0.2 A, D. 2.0. A correct answer option B. Q28. The effective resistance between A and B is A. 4 ohms, B. 6 ohms, C. May be 10 ohms. D. Must be 10 ohms. Correct answer option A. Q29. In this question, the assertion and reason have been put forward. Read the statements carefully and choose the correct alternative from the following. Assertion: in an open circuit, the current passes from one terminal of the electric cell to another. Reason: generally, the metal disc of a cell acts as a positive terminal. A. Both the assertion and the reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. B. The assertion and the reason are correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. C. Assertion is true, but the reason is false. D. The statement of the assertion is false, but the reason is true. Correct answer option D.